Did you know, by 2019, 80% of the world's internet traffic will be video? This means that millions of people using internet will prefer to watch engaging videos instead of reading boring articles on websites. However, video creation is a very hard and time-killer task. You have to sit in front of your computer for hours just to make a 1-minute video. You have to repeat the same steps again and again just to produce a short video. What if we can generate a video from a script in minutes? Yes, you heard it right. Introducing Video Tweeter. With Video Tweeter, you can generate a professional video from a script in seconds. Now, it's much easier to become a video producer. Unlike traditional video making softwares, you do not have to spend months in order to learn Video Tweeter. Its interface is easy to understand, and anyone can master it in just a few minutes. Just copy and paste your script. Video Tweeter will automatically create slides from the script. You can select different styles, such as fonts, color schemes, and transition effects as you desire with one click. It will automatically do the rest of the job. You can add relevant images in one click. After that, add your own voiceover. And don't worry, if you cannot record the voiceovers, then Video Tweeter will convert your text into voice using text-to-speech technology. And it is also very easy to add background music into your video. Unlike other video creation softwares, Video Tweeter renders your videos in seconds. And best of all, you don't need to be connected to the internet and wait in long queues to render your video, because Video Tweeter runs offline. Video Tweeter is not only a fast video creating software, it is also a video mass downloader, spinner, and uploader. So it is not only very useful for video creator, but also for video marketers. You can download others' videos from any site via Video Tweeter, and you can convert, spin, existent video to thousands of different videos by a few clicks. For video creator and marketers, it is nothing less than a miracle. You can add your YouTube, Dailymotion, or any other video site account details into Video Tweeter. Then, you can upload hundreds of videos to all video sites automatically by only one click. Video Tweeter makes it easy for you to create amazing videos from text and earn money by monetizing them on YouTube and other video sites. So get your copy today. Thanks for watching.